Hi, my name's Kerry Jennings and I'm the founder and CEO of Sparkles Cleaning Services. Sparkles was founded in 2003 and has become a limited company in 2018. I founded Sparkles back in 2003 after working for Bounty, a photographer that took babies' photos. And even though I enjoyed my job, the job structure changed, so I found myself leaving that job and seeking a different way of being employed. At that time, my mum and my sister needed their houses cleaned and persuaded me to go and do their housework. I didn't want to, so reluctantly went and done it, and Sparkles was formed after that, after word got out and everybody wanted me to do their cleaning. Sparkles is a dual role to provide stress-free professional cleaning and also to offer individuals employment if they're in difficult circumstances. We offer commercial, construction and end-of-tenancy cleaning. Sparkles is privileged to work with many organisations over the South Wales area. We help to provide employment to local individuals that might find it difficult to get employment. We work with lots of organisations including the Hubs, Interwork Projects, ESOL, and we've signed up to the Cardiff Commitment. We're passionate about what we do with individuals and help them with welfare and training along their way. If you're looking for a commercial cleaning company or employment, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.